Welcome to Royal Tech. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set a message notification sound on your Android device. Whether you're an Android enthusiast or just curious, stay tuned for this quick and easy process. This tutorial is valuable for Android users looking to personalize their devices with the iconic notification sound, giving their Android phones a touch of iOS style and familiarity. Step 1. Open the Play Store. Step 2. Search Sedge wallpaper and ringtone. Step 3. Download Sedge wallpaper and ringtone app. Step 4. Open Sedge app. Step 5. Click the notification sound. Step 6. There are many notification sounds here. Whatever you like, suck them for yourself. Here I am sucking iPhone notification sounds. Step 7. Click download option and set notification sound. Thank you all viewers for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up and like, subscribe, and share the video. For more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.